What's the meaning of baby tooth? Baby tooth. Baby tooth.
Baby tooth. Baby tooth. Baby teeth, also known as deciduous teeth, milk teeth, or primary teeth, are the first set of teeth that erupt in the mouth of humans and many other mammals. These teeth typically begin to develop before birth, but don't emerge until several months after the baby is born. Baby teeth are usually smaller and whiter than adult teeth, and there are 20 in total, 10 in each jaw. They serve an important function in enabling babies to chew solid foods and developing proper speech patterns. Eventually, they fall out and are replaced by adult teeth, a process which usually begins around the age of 6.